Today we will learn about cathemeral animals. Cathemeral animals are animals that don't have any pattern of walking and sleeping. This animal could be awake at night or awake during the day, and they don't have any adjustment needed between this time. Sometimes they are active during the day, and other times they switch and are active at night time. This animal may switch up their activity pattern for a variety of reasons. These are examples of cathemeral animals. Lion. The lion is the second largest member of the cat family, after the tiger. A male lion is easy to spot because of its mane. Lioness or female do not have mane. Lions live in groups called pride. A pride is made up of related lioness, their cub, and one or two adult males. In a pride, lions hunt prey, raise cubs, and defend their territory together. The main job of male in this pride is defending the pride's territory. Lions are considered cathemeral because they can sleep during the day or night and are active when they need to find food or water. Cougar. Cougar, also known as mountain lion or pumas. They are very good at hiding and are rarely seen in the wild. These cats have a poor sense of smell, but have excellent vision and hearing that help them hunt in the early morning and evening hours. Their primary prey is deer, but they also eat porcupine, raccoon, bird, small mammals, fox, mice, and grass. After the cougar is finished feeding on prey, it will cover all carcass or cat animal with leaf and stick to save it for another day. Cougar don't roar, but female have a loud scream. Cougar are considered cathemeral because they can sleep during the day and night and are active when they need to find food. Bobcat. Bobcat may look so cute, but are actually fierce predator. The wild feline is about twice as big as a house cat and a lot faster. Bobcats are solitary and territorial. They mark their domain with their scent. Bobcats also night owl with super night vision that help them see in the dark. Bobcats are considered cathemeral because they can sleep during the day or night and are active when they need to find food. Coyotes. Coyotes are members of the dog family. They are known for being highly clever and savvy animals. They can adapt to live in such a variety of different habitats. They are mammals that eat both vegetation and meat. Coyotes aren't particularly food eaters. They can live in a variety of areas, since they will eat almost anything, including human trash and household pets. Coyotes are also carrion eaters, as they will eat dead animals. Coyotes are considered cathemeral because they can sleep during the day and night and are active when they need to find food. Wolverine. Wolverine are large, stocky animals that look like small bears, but they are the largest member of the weasel family. They live in snowy, wooded forests, scrubland, grassland, and rocky areas. These dog animals are solitary and like to roam long distances. Wolverine have small ears, legs, and neck. Their compact shape helps them conserve heat. They have thick brown, silver, and yellow fur that help repel water. Males mark their territories with their scent, but they allow several female wolverines to live there. Wolverines are considered cathemeral because they can sleep during the day and night.